Friends, welcome to Prep with Shubhradeep. In this video, we'll cover 15 important and slightly difficult questions from the making of the Indian Constitution part of the Indian Constitution based on NCERT. Pause the video, think, and then check the answers. Question number 1. With the reference to the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946, consider the following statement. Number 1. It rejected the demand for a separate Pakistan outright. It proposed a federal structure with weak center. Provinces were allotted. Provinces were allowed to form groups. Constituent assembly was to be partly elected and partly nominated. Which of the statements given above are correct? Here is four options. So we are using elimination method. So ये तो सही है, ये सही है, ये सही है, ये गलत है. क्यों? The cabinet mission did not reject Pakistan outright but tried to avoid it. It proposed a weak center with grouped provinces and constituent assembly formed through indirect elections and nominations. So we know the right answer. So right answer is option A. A is the right answer. Now question number 2. Consider the following statements regarding the Constituent Assembly. Members were elected on the basis of universal adult franchise. Representation was based on population, population roughly in proportion. Number 3. Princely states were represented through nomination. It was a sovereign body from the very beginning. From the very beginning. So, which are statements are above correct? यहाँ पर करेक्ट पूछा है, तो इसमें सही जवाब है 2 और 3 सही है, ये नहीं है, ये नहीं है, तो इसका मतलब ऑप्शन ए राइट है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. With reference to the working of the Constituent Assembly, consider the following. It functioned through several committees. Drafting committee was the most important committee. Jawaharlal Nehru was the chairman of the drafting committee. Committees reflected political and social diversity. यहाँ पर भी करेक्ट पूछा है. और आपका ये इसका अगर डिटेल्ड पीडीएफ चाहिए, डिटेल डिस्कशन का और एक्सप्लेनेशन का पीडीएफ चाहिए, तो हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल है प्रिप विद शुभ्रदीप नाम से. यू कैन विजिट दैट एंड वहाँ पर पीडीएफ फ्रीली अवेलेबल है. तो इसका क्या है आंसर? 1 सही है, 2 सही है, 4 सही है, ये नहीं है. ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी चेयरमैन था बी आर अम्बेडकर. Consider the following statements regarding Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. He was a member of the Constituent Assembly from Bombay Presidency. He chaired the drafting committee. He was initially opposed the strong center government. He emphasized constitutional morality. Which of the statements given above are correct? यहाँ पर ये तो ठीक है, बॉम्बे से ही थे वो, ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी के चेयरमैन भी थे. ये 3 नंबर नहीं है, ये नहीं है. हाँ, वो ये नहीं था, ये नहीं चाहते थे वो, स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंटर नहीं. फिर ही एम्फोसाइज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोरालिटी. यस, ये तो है. इसका मतलब ऑप्शन ए इज राइट. ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. विथ रेफरेंस टू ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग. It was moved by Jawaharlal Nehru. It laid down the philosophy of the Constitution. It guaranteed fundamental rights explicitly. It later became the preamble. Which of the following statement given above are correct? ये तो हाँ, ये ठीक है, ये ठीक है, ये ठीक है, ये गलत है. क्यों गलत है? Objective resolution outlined board ideals and later formed the basic of the preamble. Fundamental rights were not explicitly listed at that stage. So, right answer is option A. Right answer. Question number 6. Consider the following statements about the nature of debates in the Constituent Assembly. Debates were open and well documented. All discussions were taken unanimously. Members frequently receive, revised their views. Minority opinions were completely or ignored. Which of the statements given above are correct? इसका क्या होगा देखते हैं. ये तो था, ये राइट है. नहीं, ये नहीं था. डिस्कस वर टेकन अनोनिमसली, ये नहीं था. और फिर ये नहीं हुआ था. फिर फ्रिक्वेंटली रिसीव मेंबर्स फ्रिक्वेंटली रिवाइज्ड देयर व्यूज. हाँ, ये था, ये था. दे कैन. माइनॉरिटी ओपिनियंस वेर कंप्लीटली इग्नोर्ड. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हुआ था. उनके लिए था इलेक्ट्रल अलग. तो इलेक्शन से पहले वो तो बना ही गया था कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली के लिए. तो ये नहीं था. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. With reference to now question number 7. With reference to sources of the Indian Constitution, consider the following. Option A, 1. Statement 1. Parliamentary system was taken from Britain to fundamental rights were inspired by the US Constitution. Option C. Direct principles were borrowed from Ireland. Federal structure was inspired by solely by Canada. Which of the statement given above are correct? Parliamentary system was taken by, ये सही है. फिर US, ये भी सही है. फिर dietary principles was borrowed from the Ireland. हाँ, ये भी सही है. And federal structure was inspired by the Canada. ये कहाँ से लिया था? राइट इन कमेंट सेक्शन. तो हमारा राइट हो जाता है ऑप्शन ए. Consider question number 8. Consider the following statements regarding federalism in the Indian Constitution. It was adopted to maintain unity and diversity. Number 2. It provided equal powers to center and states. Number 3. Emergency provisions strengthen the center. It reflects lessons from the Government of India Act 1935. Which of the statements given above are correct? 4 सही है, 3 सही है, 1 सही है. ये गलत है. फिर हमारा आंसर हो जाता है ऑप्शन ए. Now question number 9. With reference to fundamental rights, consider the following. Okay. 1. They were debated extensively in the Constituent Assembly. 2. They are absolute in nature. Number 3. They are justiciable. Number 4. They aim to protect individual liberty. Which of the following statements given above are correct? Okay. Number 9. ये जस्टिसिएबल नहीं है, ये तो हम जानते हैं. और बाकी देखते हैं क्या है. अच्छा, ये सही है, ये सही है, ये सही है. इसका मतलब इसका भी ए हो जाता है राइट आंसर. ए हो जाता है राइट आंसर. So consider the following statements regarding directive principles of the state policy. They are not they are non-justiciable. Option A. So option two, statement two, they were meant to complete fundamental rights. Number three, they were immediately enforceable after independence. Number four, they reflect social and economic democracy. Which of the statements given above are correct? यहाँ पर क्या होता है? नहीं, ये तो नहीं था, नहीं होगा ये. They were immediately enforced after the independence, नहीं. डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स बाद में आया था, लेकिन बहुत सारा आर्टिकल्स आ गया था. कौन सा वो आर्टिकल्स था? यू कैन राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. और दे आर नॉन जस्टिसेबल, यस ये है. दे वर मेंट टू कंप्लीट फंडामेंटल राइट्स, यस यस. इसका भी ऑप्शन हो जाता है ए राइट आंसर हो जाता है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. विथ रेफरेंस टू सिटीजनशिप provisions, consider the following. One, citizenship was granted automatically to all residents. Number two, partition influenced citizenship debates. Number three, the constitution provides single citizenship. Number four, dual citizenship has adopted initially. Which of the statements given above are correct? 2, 3. करेक्ट, ये नहीं है. सो इसका आंसर हो जाता है ए. क्यों? किसी को लगेगा ये शायद गलत है. पार्टीशन deeply affected citizenship provisions. India adopted single citizenship to promote unity. एनसीईआरटी के सिटीजनशिप चैप्टर में ही है, देख सकते हो, कैन विजिट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Consider the following statements regarding the language debate. Hindi was declared the sole national language. Number 2, English was adopted as an associate official language. Number 3, language provisions aimed to balance unity and diversity. Number 4, states were recognized immediately on linguistic basis. Which of the statements given above are correct? So, ये तो सही है. इंग्लिश वॉज अडॉप्टेड एंड एसोसिएटेड ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज, ये तो है. और लैंग्वेज प्रोविजंस एम्ड टू बैलेंस यूनिटी एंड डाइवर्सिटी, हाँ ये भी सही है. स्टेट वर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इमीडिएटली ऑन लैंग्वेज, नहीं ये लैंग्वेज तब वर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इमीडिएटली, ये नहीं था, ये नहीं था. दिवस और हिंदी का जो है ये नहीं है, ये नहीं है. हिंदी was not declared the sole national language. Language provisions were compromised to maintain unity. तो इसका सही जवाब है ए, सही आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. With reference to emergency provisions, consider the following. 1. They were inspired by the Wilmar Constitution. Number 2, they allow temporary suspension of federalism. Number 3, they can affect fundamental rights. Number 4, they were designed to prevent misuse of power. Designed. Which of the statements given above are correct? इसका देखते हैं. ये सही है, ये सही है, ये भी सही है, ये नहीं है. इसलिए इसको थोड़ा लग रहा था, क्योंकि इसको कुछ सुना नहीं है, तो इसका सही आंसर है ये. If you are getting most answer correct till now, comment polity ready in the comment section, or if you are correct most of them, or or something, you can write in comment section. और मैं नया हूँ इस फील्ड में, आपको पता ही चल रहा होगा मेरा कम्युनिकेशन स्किल से, तो थोड़ा तो मम्बलिंग हो जाता है. प्लीज़ pardon me. Okay, now question number 14. Consider the following statements regarding adoption of the Constitution. 1. The Constitution was adopted on 16 November 1949. 2. It came into force on 26 January 1950. The debate was chosen to commemorate Purna Swaraj. The provision came into force on the same date. नहीं, ये नहीं हुआ था. ये हुआ था, ये हुआ था, ये होता सही है. इसका मतलब करेक्ट, हाँ करेक्ट पूछा है, तो इसका मतलब ये ऑप्शन ए राइट. Number 15. Which of the following best explains the philosophy of Indian Constitution? चलो इसका डिटेल्स में देखते हैं थोड़ा. ओह, इसका तो ये नहीं है. ओके. ए. Complete individual freedom. B. Absolute state control. C. Balance between liberty and social justice. D. Purely socialist ideology. Which of the following best explains the philosophy of Indian Constitution? ये वर्ड्स पे थोड़ा ध्यान देना होगा. सो इसका सही आंसर है बैलेंस बिटवीन लिबर्टी एंड सोशल जस्टिस. सो इसका सही आंसर है सी. क्यों? द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बैलेंस इंडिविजुअल लिबर्टी एंड विथ सोशल जस्टिस, इक्वालिटी एंड नेशनल यूनिटी. ये एनसीईआरटी के फिलोसफी ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पार्ट में भी है डिटेल्स में. और आपको अगर इसका डिटेल पीडीएफ चाहिए तो यू कैन ज्वाइन प्रीप विथ शुभ्रदीप टेलीग्राम चैनल. यू कैन ज्वाइन. वहाँ पर पूरा पीडीएफ अच्छे डिटेल्स में दिया हुआ है. ओके, नाउ थैंक यू. So these were 15 very important questions from the making of the constitution part. Comment your score out of 15, like and subscribe this and share this video with one serious aspirant. Thank you. Visit again.